The North Bay Marin County health leaders are working to protect school staff and students who are now back in the classrooms. They released several guidelines today, adapting to the new data on Omicron. Crown 4's Ella Sogomonian is in our newsroom tonight with the details. Ella.
Pam, although 89% of Marin County residents have been fully vaccinated, the Omicron variant continues to prove that it can break through that barrier and infect people. The good news is the symptoms have overall been much lighter, but the health department is still being cautious in the classrooms to keep schools open. The Marin County Health Department updated COVID-19 guidelines for schools on Thursday to keep up with changes brought on by the Omicron variant. They acknowledged at this stage in the pandemic, the risk of being sent to the hospital with severe symptoms is down. 1 in 15 people are requiring intensive care compared to 1 in 5 who were infected with the Delta variant. But Omicron is infecting more people faster. So protecting the health of students and staff is a priority so kids can stay in school.
All of our strategies are laser focused on keeping schools open and not having schools excluded, especially when we have a less virulent, less severe virus. We still have policies that are pandemic level policies with isolation and quarantine. And so these are our strategies to keep schools open.
That being said, face coverings are still required for students and staff while they're indoors. Booster shots are encouraged for those who are eligible. Kids kindergarten through 12th grade will be given COVID tests if they get symptoms, when in quarantine, and before they're allowed back to school. Isolation will last 5 days with a negative test and if symptoms are gone. Otherwise, kids will stay home for a total of 10 days. Updated guidance also limits school gatherings to 50 people indoors. Only the fully vaccinated can attend sports games and performances inside, and sports teams will be sent home to quarantine for 7 days if 4 team members are infected within 14 days.
We've seen, now the data has accumulated, and I think others across the nation have learned what we knew, which is that closing schools creates significant public health harm in social and mental health.
In fact, during one of the most isolated periods in the pandemic, more people were turning to a Marin County suicide hotline near the end of 2020. But Dr. Willis reminds parents to keep their kids home and have them tested if they show any sign of being sick before they can come back to the classroom. They admit testing too soon could get you a false at-home test result, but the county's health leaders don't recommend confirming a positive with a PCR test. They say just treat it like a positive, especially if there are symptoms. Dr. Willis says that another peak for infections is expected in the middle of this month, and another community meeting is set for next Wednesday. Live in the newsroom, Ella Sogomonian, Crown 4 News.